As protests erupted in Washington, D.C., here in Cincinnati, there was also a demonstration. Local 12's Brad Underwood was there and spoke to people opposing Kavanaugh's appointment to the high court.
For the second time in 3 days, a crowd gathers at the Hamilton County Courthouse in opposition of Brett Kavanaugh's nomination to the United States Supreme Court.
I think that the American people and here in Ohio, we deserve better as far as, who represents us at the Supreme Court and who represents us in the Senate, deciding who our Supreme Court justices are.
For many in the crowd, the past 2 weeks have been full of anger, watching the confirmation process and the accusations of sexual assault against Kavanaugh.
I have 3 daughters, and I don't know what to tell them about it other than we know that the system is broken and the system is not the solution.
As the crowd gets fired up in Cincinnati, countless outbursts in Washington, D.C. stall the Senate vote.
Sergeant at Arms will restore order in the gallery.
A vote is finally taken. Kavanaugh is confirmed by a vote of 50 to 48.
Judge Brett Kavanaugh is among the very best our nation has to offer. He will make the Senate and the country proud. He will serve with distinction on our highest court.
The confirmation process fired up both sides of the aisle. Visible anger for weeks. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says the Senate and the country will get past this.
This was about treating someone fairly. This was about evidence being relevant, not about unsubstantiated charges.
Back in Cincinnati, that thought isn't shared by the people at the courthouse.
The court has always been deeply politicized, and it's an illusion to think that that is a neutral force for good and justice in American society.
Downtown, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News.